Hey, how's it going? This is Darren Koski with ATG Recruiting. We are a third-party recruiter, and our job is to help you find that perfect job. So I want to tell you a little bit about a job we have here. It's a pretty popular job. You've probably seen it out there. We've had it, and we've done had put a lot of drivers into this position. They seem to like the home time. This is going to be a job for a CDL A driver. You'll have to have had some regional or over-the-road experience. They're looking for at least 6 months of that, crossing state lines, that kind of stuff, and it's going to be drive-in, or refrigerated. They're looking for that kind of experience. Um, but if you got 6 months of OTR and you're pulling like a 53 footer, just give us a call and we'll see if you qualify. Now the job is 3.5 days out, 3.5 days home. Do get a lot of questions on this. What days are they going to be? What 3.5 days are off are they? And honestly, it can vary. When they're saying 3.5 days, it's 3.5 days. It's not like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and half a Thursday. It's not that, because this is trucking. You're going to average 3.5 days, but you could overrun, or the person, it's a slip seat job, so the person before you, might have run into an issue, and so they're coming back in 4 days, so you're going to be starting a little later. But once you do come back with a truck, you are going to be off for 3.5 days. So, and you will be slip seating with someone else. The truck's going to be staying at a truck yard. They've got a couple of truck yards in the Dallas area. So the truck's going to stay there, and then you're going to go home for your 3.5 days, and then you're going to come back. So the home time is great. You're looking at $1,250, which is awesome for 3.5 days worth of driving. And you are going to be home more often, than if you're out for a couple of weeks. Some people, are looking for more home time than they are, look for the money. So if that's your case, this could be a great thing for you, because you will definitely have a lot of home time with this. Um, it is all no touch freight. Again, I did say you are going to be slip seating. And where you're running basically from Dallas up to Colorado. Then you're coming back down through New Mexico, hitting El Paso, and then you're going to be heading back out towards Dallas. So it's a triangle. It takes about 3.5 days to complete it, plus or minus. They do have a very generous fuel and inspection bonus. And if you're interested in the position, give us a call. You have the number right there, or you can just fill out the application, and then we'll be happy to talk to you as well. We'll give you all those details on that. As far as the mileage, that triangle there is going to run about 2,200 miles. They do pay 60 cents a mile on that. And they do have Penske roadside service, which is great. I mean, they have very well taken care of vehicles, but it's trucking. Anything can happen. If they can't fix the truck out on the road for you and get you going, they're going to bring another tractor to you, and you'll be able to continue your run through there. So you don't have to worry about being stuck on the road for hours or days or whatever at a truck stop. They want you to get back out there, and they want you to keep running that run. So again, as far as the company name, I get asked a lot. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to mention that in the ads, being a third-party recruiter. But when you call us, I'll be happy to tell you all about the company, and who they are, and all those details. But this is a good, solid job. I put a lot of drivers into this job, and the drivers seem to like it because of that home time. So if that's something you're looking for, more home time, 3.5 days, it's a good solid job, and they have good solid freight. So again, I thank you very much for taking your time to listen to me here. Again, this is ATG Recruiting. Feel free to visit us at our website, and you can see all the jobs that we have available right now. All right, thanks so much, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.